Hello everyone, it's Jodi. I am excited to tell you about my Textured Notes Bundle of the Month. So this is something brand new that I'm doing, and I'm just really excited about it, and I think you're going to be blown away by what this video class has to offer. So what I'm showing you tonight is just more of the product. I'm going to demonstrate a card, show you a few other cards, and tell you about how you can get access to the video class. So let's start with the Woven Textures designer paper. This is just awesome designer paper. Obviously, you see the texture in these like photographs of these different textured pieces that Stampin' Up! Has made into 12 by 12 designer paper. So I'm just going to flip through the different patterns so that you can see all of those different designs and textures that are on these papers. It's just so pretty. And if you ever struggle to figure out what to do for masculine cards, this is definitely some paper you're going to want to have. Definitely lends itself well to those masculine cards. And finally, this one. So there are all those different patterns that you get in that 12 by 12 package of designer paper. And then the Textured Notes bundle itself, we have a cling mount stamp set. It's got 7 different images. You've got some texture pieces here as well as some greetings. And then these dies. These dies are amazing. So there's, I should have counted, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rectangles. And I think you'll be able to see they each have a different design or pattern as they die cut. So this is the one that I'm going to use on the card that I'm making tonight, and it's this one right here. So each of them puts some nice little detail on the cardstock while it's cutting it out. And because of how they're nested like this, you could do some really fun things where you pull out, well, I guess these two, and you can cut pieces that are a larger frame. You could take a small one like this and have a bigger frame here. There's just a lot of different options when you have nesting dies like this, where they just kind of build up in size. So whether or not the Textured Notes stamp set and that woven texture designer paper, maybe that's not your thing. Maybe that doesn't appeal to you. I think it's great. I love it. I love it for masculine cards too. But I would say whatever your taste is, these dies could become a go-to staple in your crafting stash. These are dies that I can use with any stamp set, any occasion, any colors. These Textured Notes dies, these rectangles, are going to definitely be ones that are versatile and able to use with any products. So now I'm going to slide in this little teaser that I shared. You may have seen this on social media. These are the different pieces that I am using on this project. So I'd invite you to go ahead and take a screenshot so that you have this to refer back to if you would like. I am using pecan pie, basic white on these 2 pieces, the pecan pie 1 3/4 inch circle, and then the different designer papers are all from the woven textures that I just showed. So these are all the pieces that I'm using. There's a little bit of white ribbon, 2 inches, and then I'm also going to be pulling in the neutral matte dots. So there's a white, black, vanilla or beige, and pecan pie. So very nice matte dots, 2 different sizes for each color. So let me go ahead and make this card, but then stick around because I have other cards to show you. And then I really want to tell you about this video class that you can get in on, where there are 16 different cards, all featuring Textured Notes. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to, I think I'm just going to kind of scoot some of these things off to the side just so I can have a little bit more area to work. And I'm going to go ahead and attach this piece, that's the 5 by 3 3/4 basic white, to my 1/4 sheet of pecan pie. So I'll just center it left, right, top, and bottom on there. And then this piece is the measurement right here, 4 3/4 by 3.5. And this is going to get some adhesive and get layered right on top of the basic white. So it'll go like this. It's such a quick and creative card, you guys. Now, I have this piece, and then this is the same pattern as this. I'm going to go ahead and take this and just run some adhesive along the edge and just stick it down right across the top like that. Now, what I want to do for this card is a little pocket card. You'll notice this wasn't a full card base. This is just a quarter sheet. So there's nowhere for the card to open. So I'm going to use this as a little pocket on the front. So I'm pulling in some Stampin' Dimensionals, and you can see all the little dimensionals here. What you might not know is that these edges also come in really handy. And I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of line it up here. So if I go from the corner to about here, I think that'll be good. So I'm just gonna snip that so I can easily just pull up that thin edge, and I'm going to put it on the back here. And I want it as close to the bottom as I can get. Okay, and then I'll keep going on the other side and just snip right in the middle. You always want to use the edges. If you use all the little hexagons and you still have the perimeter left, you still have dimensionals left, and you can absolutely use those on your projects. They all do the trick. So these I'll stick over here along the edge. And then that other half, I'll put on the other side. Now, what's important here is that we only want 3 sides. Remember, we want it to be a pocket. And so I only want the 3 sides to have dimensionals. Those come off in nice long pieces, so it's really easy to get that backing off. And then I'm going to take this and just line it up along the bottom. The designer paper will overlap, and now I've created that little pocket. So now it's open in there, and I can slide this tag in and out. So this will be the part that actually has my greeting and where I would sign my name. So let's go ahead and work on this piece. I pulled out one of the images from the stamp set that says thank you, and I grabbed my early espresso ink. So I'm just going to tap that on my ink pad. And then I'm going to stamp thank you. I went ahead, as you saw earlier, I have a 1 3/4 inch circle and just this couple inches of the new white ribbon. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of hold it at the top and pull in my little crafting stapler that I have and attach that. You could use a glue dot or whatever you wanted. I just thought I'd use the stapler. I haven't used it in a while. And then I'm going to add some adhesive just on the bottom part of the circle because I want this to stick to my tag. And I'll just push it down on there so that's stuck on there really well. And then I can slide that right in. So it's just that easy to make this quick and creative card. It's so easy to make that little pocket just using Stampin' Dimensionals around the 3 edges. And then I can stick the little insert right inside. Now, I have some other cards I want to show you. I'm going to close this ink pad so I don't make a mess. Oh, I forgot my little neutral matte dots. I'm going to put one of those right here. I chose the black ones for this. And one over here, just so they would pop right off of that designer paper and just emphasize and focus on that little pocket even more with that darker color that pulls in the color of the greeting too. So I'd love to hear what you think. I just thought it was a really fun, very quick, creative card, making that little pocket. And then I want to pull in a couple of others that I made with the same stamp set. Now there's 2 leafy images in there as well as this woven circle. So I used pecan pie and old olive and crumb cake. There's a little bit of basic beige on that strip back there. And early espresso again for the greeting. This one was similar. I'm using different designer papers, different patterns from Woven Textures, but a similar design as this. On this one, you can see I cut out those leafy images and punched out the circles. Here, I just did more of a collage stamping and put them all on there together, and then did the little greeting on this rectangle. Now, you'll notice if I pull in those textured notes dies one more time, you're going to see on the one that I did here, this greeting is this long one here, and then there's a couple different ones used on this card as well. So these are a few other cards that I made with textured notes. But now what I want to tell you about is this brand new Bundle of the Month video class. So I have partnered with a few other Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. There are 16 of us. So there's quite a few of us. And if you participate in the video class, you'll have to forgive me because I don't have a color printer. This would look much better in color. I will email you this entire document that has all 16 pages, and you'll get it all in color. You can print it or save it, whatever works for you. So on the project sheet, there's a nice large photo of the card. There is a list of supplies and measurements, and then it says video tutorial. Click here. And they're all linked to a video. So our Bundle of the Month video class includes 16 different card ideas. This month, they're all featuring the Textured Notes bundle. 16 different cards. The document that you'll receive has 16 pages, 16 project sheets with links to videos. Each video is 5 to 10 minutes. Multiply that by 16. You are going to have a ton of creative inspiration. It's such a fun idea. I'm so excited to partner with these other demonstrators and offer this to you. Now, how do you get in on it? It's really easy. It is free for you with a $75 minimum order by the end of the month. So by the end of April 2025, you do that $75 order through my online store. If you want to reach out to me, if you need help ordering, I am happy to do that. A $75 order is going to get you the Bundle of the Month Textured Notes video class for free. 16 different cards, 16 project sheets with supplies and measurements, 16 different videos. It's a really, really fun opportunity. A bonus is that because our Stampin' Rewards program has recently changed, you don't have to hit that $150 threshold anymore to earn rewards. You earn rewards on any order $20 or more. So when you do your $75 order to earn this video class for free, you're going to get $7.50 at least in rewards to use later. So it's just another little perk and bonus for when you shop with me. So if you have any questions, be sure to ask. It's a brand new thing, so it's okay if you have questions. These cards, these are just bonus. These are not part of the 16. This one is the card that I designed and made for this video class. So you will see this one in the video class, and it'll walk you through how to make it, give you little tips and tricks, all the supplies and measurements. So you'll have 16 different cards. This is one of them. These 3 are just a little bonus I wanted to share with you. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.